Once you have balanced for tip and tilt, you let go of the smoothie frame and just hold the handle. It's normal to see the smoothie wander freely at first. That's because it needs your hand to stop it from swinging before you shoot. You need to be the source of control over where it's pointed at all times. This means you must touch the top of the smoothie as you shoot. But you can't touch it just anywhere. You have to find the right place. Just above the swivel, permanently attached to the base of the top plate, is a collar. The back has the storage clip for the handle, but notice how the front tab juts down lower than the clip at the back. This is not an accident. When you hold the handle, you can touch this control collar with your thumb and index finger. But here's a tip. Touch it with the lightest possible pressure. You want the smoothie to stay in balance, so use the minimum force to steer the control collar and your camera into frame. Using just one hand, you can sometimes get a very smooth tilt by pressing your index finger onto the front tab. This is good for up to about 20 degrees of downward tipping. Using both thumb and index finger, you can achieve about 15 degrees of upward tilt. Experienced smoothie operators can often use the grip hand for both support and steering. But if that's not enough control, you can use the thumb and index fingers of your other hand to do the steering. Some of the best operators prefer this two-handed method for greater, smoother control. But wait, there's more. See that circular thing on the front of the smoothie frame? That's the front balance weight. Right out of the box, it's staring straight forward, but you can press on it and slide it up or down. Now, why would you want to do that? Super balance. Try this. Slide the front weight up on the frame, about an inch. Notice the little dimple in the frame that was hidden before? You can always move it back to this original spot by aligning the weight with that dimple. Twist the knobs to level both tip and tilt. The rig is much more sensitive overall, so your adjustments have to be very fine to get everything level. But once you get it rebalanced, it's even more stable. After a while, you will discover what every Steadicam operator already knows. Nearly every shot can be improved with a little tweak to the balance before shooting. There are more things to learn about the Steadicam Smoothie. Be sure to review Part 3, which reveals key tips and tricks that you can use as you gain experience with your smoothie.